You just gotta keep living, man. Livin.
Well, the truth, yeah, it hurts to say. I'm gonna pack up my bags and I'm gonna go away. I'm gonna split, I can't stand it. I'm gonna give it up and quit and ain't never coming back. Girl, but before I get to going, I've got to